Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up if you find it helpful. Today, we're diving into a resource that's become a cornerstone of personal finance knowledge for many, Millennial Money, found at millennialmoney.com. This website offers a wealth of information aimed at helping young adults navigate the often complex world of money management. From budgeting and saving to investing and debt reduction, Millennial Money tackles a wide range of financial topics. The site's creator, Grant Sabatier, shares his personal journey to financial independence, providing relatable insights and practical advice. He emphasizes the importance of understanding your financial situation, setting clear goals, and developing actionable strategies to achieve them. Millennial Money isn't just about theoretical concepts, it offers concrete steps you can take to improve your financial well-being. The site delves into various investment strategies, explaining concepts like index funds, real estate investing, and even exploring alternative investment options. Whether you're just starting your financial journey or looking to refine your existing strategies, Millennial Money offers valuable resources. From articles and podcasts to online courses and community forums, there's a wealth of content to explore. One of the key strengths of Millennial Money lies in its accessibility. The information is presented in a clear, concise, and easy-to-understand manner, making complex financial topics digestible for everyone. Sabatier's personal anecdotes and relatable stories further enhance the learning experience, making it feel less like a lecture and more like a conversation with a trusted friend. He stresses the importance of not just earning money, but also managing and growing it effectively to achieve long-term financial security. The site covers topics such as optimizing spending habits, negotiating salaries, and side hustles to increase income streams. Millennial Money aims to empower you with the knowledge and tools you need to take control of your finances and build a secure financial future. So, whether you're grappling with student loan debt, trying to save for a down payment on a house, or simply looking to improve your overall financial literacy, millennialmoney.com is definitely a resource worth checking out.